Hey guys, welcome back. And today Apple officially launched their store, like online store in India. So let's check that out. So for that we need to open Safari, apple.com, and then I will go to India specifically because I live there. And so as you can see, Apple Store online is now open. You have to just click on it like once, and then as you can see, Namaste, a great way to start the day, I guess. So now as you can see, now you have few options that you will get with this website. Like these are the options that they're giving to us, like shop with Apple specialist, no contact delivery right now, which is very good in this virus times. Choose how to pay. Like if I will press on this, now you can actually choose the way that you want to play, like credit card, debit card, EMI, RuPay, UPI, net banking, and also cash on delivery, and also credit card on delivery, which is pretty cool, I must say. And also you can trade your old iPhone in. We will talk about that in later. And yeah, as soon as you will get down, you will see these options like all the Apple products like iPhone, Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods, iPod Touch, Apple TV, and accessories. So let me just go on with Mac first. So if I will go on with Mac, now it will going to show you all their Mac models like iMac, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, like which Mac notebook is right for you. So I will just going to go with the MacBook Pro. I'll just click on buy. And now as you can see, you will see these two options, 13 inch or 16 inch. So I'm going to go with the 13 inch only, and I'm going to select my model of choice like 1.4 gigahertz or 2 gigahertz. So I will go with this one, which is having 512 gigabytes of storage. So select. Now here's the deal, like this is something which is new. This is something that I was waiting for, like totally. Now you can actually customize your own laptop or iMac. Like you can actually make it your own according to yourself. Like as you can see, I can now increase the processor power, like from 2 gigahertz to 2.3 gigahertz. Like I know, like it's pretty new for me and for all of us who are living in India. Now you just have to press on this, and now as you can see, and also you can actually increase the RAM. Like inbuilt it's 16, but now you can make it 32 if you want to. And also same goes with the storage. And if you want to use software, like if you use Mac software, you know that Final Cut Pro is a video editing software. You can have that too, which I use. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Like you can actually do whatever you want to. And now, like if I will press on this, like if I will type any pin code, let's type it for Mumbai. View options. Now it will show you that standard delivery, that it will going to deliver around 3 October to 7 October, which is pretty cool because today's 23 if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So yeah, it's fine. But you will get your own customized MacBook, which is great. Review bag. Now, as you can see, as soon as I will review my bag, they will going to show you Apple Care Plus. So Apple Care, what it is actually? Well, it's actually a safety thing for your laptop. It will keep your MacBook safe. Like it will be like, it's a kind of an insurance if that's right for it. Yeah, so you can get Apple Care and USB-C to lightning cable if you need that, USB-C to USB adapter. Like it's just something that they are just trying to promote, but I don't need any of these. So review bag. Now as you can see, I can check out and my total amount is 2,34,900, which is a lot. So I'm not buying obviously because yeah. So now you can actually add an Apple Care, and this is a very big thing. Like you can actually get a cashback, around 6% cashback with qualifying cards. So if I will press on that right now, only card which you can get cashback on is HDFC. Get up to 6% of cashback. So yeah, you get the idea. That's how you can actually go with this store. Let me just talk about iPhone for a second or so. So now as you can see, I have different iPhone models all over here. So let me just go with iPhone SE first. Okay, like any iPhone if I want to. I just want to show you guys that trade-in feature that I was talking about before. So like if I will go with the iPhone SE for a second or so. So as you can see, yeah. So as you can see, now it will actually going to show you that get up to 16,000 off with trade-in. Do you have a smartphone to trade in? So like I have one. So now you have to just write your pin code, and then they will ask you Is your smartphone an iPhone? I will say yes. What's your serial number of your iPhone? So let me just type that in and I will come back in a second. I just wrote my serial number, and now it's asking me, does it turn on? All do buttons work? Yes, it work. Yes, it's in good shape. Yes. So now I can get 22,000 of instant credit. Like, this phone will going to cost me like, wow, it's great. So I know that you guys want to know that which iPhone I'm using. It's 10R actually, which is quite low. If I will get this for 22, I can sell it like around 30 in offline market. But yeah, it's good to see that it's like, that these guys are doing this thing. So now you can select your white, red. You get the idea. Select your that, and also you can also select Apple Care Plus, which is very cool, guys. So as you can see now, like if I'm ordering an iPhone, so it's getting delivered to me around 25th or 29th, which is very fast as compared to the MacBook. So yeah, there you go. It's a very simple website, and same with the Apple Watch. But let's see if you can customize something in Apple Watch. Let's go with Apple Watch SE. So yeah, you can actually choose your different watch type, watch bands, I should say. That's it. Okay, Nike options, we also have that. Great. Like I wasn't expecting like this much, but it's fine. Like, it's great that you can actually do this. So if I went with this one, I cannot change the strap color, but in official US website, you can do that. You can customize your own watch, which is very cool. So it's not here right now, but you can actually go with 40 mm or 44. We are going to go with 44, and GPS is going to show you. Same goes here also. You can also add Apple Care Plus here, but you cannot trade in something. Yeah, so that is the number one thing that I'm talking about. Like, if you have an Apple Watch Series 2 or 3, you cannot trade in here. So you are just left alone here. You just have to buy the new one. You are not going to get any kind of discount, yeah, except that 6% off after that last page. So yeah, there you have it. Like, this is a very simple and basic store. Like whatever you want to. And also what I wanted to talk to you about is, now you can actually chat with Apple specialist. Like, if I can chat with specialists, now they're going to tell us that which phone or which model to go with, which might suit our things that what we need. And like, as you can see, this is a very good thing. So yeah, there you have it, guys. A very simple website, but I mean, it's offering a lot, especially in that Mac department. But yeah, iPhone and all, you get the idea. You can actually order iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch SE, iPad, iPod Touch. But what was most exciting was Mac. And also, guys, let me tell you something. If you are a student, you can actually get some discounts by Apple, like by themselves, like in MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, like save up to 23,000. Okay, so for that, they will actually going to verify you with uni days, and then you can actually get some great discounts. Like, they are showing up to 23,000, say up to 23,000, 23,990. So yeah, you can actually get some discounts with that being said, I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, let me know. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.